Well, the Monster Energy Yamaha Star Racing team has gotten a little bit smaller today, and that was with the announcement from Daxton Bennick on his Instagram that he is confirmed to be leaving the team after spending the first 3 years of his professional career with them. Overall, in the 3 years, he made 37 starts between Supercross and Motocross and the SMX playoffs. He had 15 top 10 finishes and 2 podiums, both in Supercross, 24 Detroit and 25 in Tampa, with the quote on his Instagram saying, "Lots of memories made over the last 3 years with Monster Energy, Star Racing Yamaha. I appreciate them all, ready for the next chapter," and a little salute emoji. And now, the rumors of where he'll be going is to, or supposedly joining the Rockstar Energy Husqvarna team, who, funny enough, will be switching back or transition back to the Husqvarna FC250 machines for the 2026 season after racing Rockstar Energy Gas MC250F machines last year. Shows you really that the KTM is just, or KTM umbrella is overall everything. You've got a Husky team racing gas bikes under a different name. Who knows? But, I mean, obviously, last year was not exactly great for Bennick with 2 concussions, which means a lot of time was spent not racing. And it's one of those things, who knows? I mean, obviously, you want to see these guys, like, transition. Start off, continue to grow, become a little more consistent. And if you're just hurt all the time, or at least in a season hurt for a good portion of the time, it kind of slows down that progression. But the move over could be good. I mean, obviously, some people change teams, change bikes, and it's just a fresh view of things. You know, it's just a happy change, and not that racing for Yamaha is probably bad. I mean, considering that Star team is a powerhouse and probably one of the 2 teams you really want to grow up into, either between them or Kawasaki, Team Green, all that kind of stuff. But so I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Good move for him. Bad move. Are you excited for the rest of World Supercross? Are you excited for A1 like I am? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform lets you do, because it does really help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.